In this video, we're going to be going through the CAD command line inside of TBC. Now, for many of you, you might be more familiar with the ribbons that run at the top inside of TBC and the ribbon that has the name CAD. This represents a lot of the actual common CAD creation tools, such as creation of points, creation of lines, and creation of polygons. However, there is a shortcut routine at the bottom of the screen called the CAD Command Line. If you tap on this, it opens up an interface that allows you to actually either type in the full name of the actual thing you want to do, or hotkey to quickly get towards the function. So let's look at an example together. Let's say, for argument's sake, I want to move or I want to offset this object. Well, I can come in and I can type in offset, and there is the actual function. Tap enter, select anywhere, and then I get an offset, right? What if I want to move the object? Well, I can type in the full word move, or I can just simply press M and tap enter, and you'll see that now we're actually using instead the actual shortcut code for that function. So I can now grab the object and move it anywhere in this space. What if instead maybe I want to draw a line, right? So line. So shortcut command code is L for this. Now I'm going to pause for a second and just quickly highlight this. At the bottom of the page, sometimes what you'll notice that it has some additional features that are associated with the command. You can toggle on and off those features to allow the routine to take effect as you create the object that you're trying to create. That at this point, we can go ahead, pick our starting point, and then we can decide on these other routines that are going to run at the bottom of the page. So there are several different ways to actually do this. There are commands that are associated with this space as well. So for example, if I instead wanted to actually do bearing and distance, it would be using that same command you see there, D. I'm going to type 1, and then I'm going to put in an angle of 0, and then I'm going to put in a distance of 5. So that allows me to go straight up the page, right? So this is just basically a quick look at the actual command line. If you go to your help or the question sign in the top right in TBC and type in command line quick, you'll see a quick reference guide that gives you all the different commands that are in here that you can actually use in your CAD creation process.